How to use task templates. Task templates streamline processes and help maintain best practices for routine procedures. In the Task Templates tab of the Firm Templates section, you can create new templates or copy ones from our library. I will copy the phone interview template, and then I'll open it. Here you can adjust the template's details. You can also add or remove subtasks. Include the assignee in the template. Set status and priority. And select tags. The start and due dates can be either relative or absolute. When you set a relative date, you will select a period of time that will be relative to the time of the task's creation. If you set the start date to 5 days and you create a task on January 1st, then the start date of the task will be on the 6th of January. If you want to set absolute dates instead, then pick a calendar date. For this task, I will just set up a relative start and due date. Now you should save the template and then create a new task. Here you can select the template and it will automatically fill in all the information for you. If you want to make any adjustments to the task before creating it, you can still do so here after applying the template. All the changes that you make to this task right now will not change the template itself, but it will only affect this instance of this task.